Yeah. Yeah. Marca. Practice that. 5, 6, 7, go. Push that. Here's the last. Ayo, 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 yo. Ma. Yeah. Almost there. Again. 6, 7, mata. Toma, puxa. Take it again. Let's work on that. That was good. That is right here. Look. Pivot. Toma. Okay? So now, pivot. Slowly pivot. Fake. Manda. Step. Cross.
I turn around the lamp.
Exactly. You turn around.
To start.
Yeah.
Static
And then you go. Try that one again. Yeah. So pivot. Fake. Ta. Almost. But you have to wait a little bit more. Almost. Right? So. All right. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Pivot. Fake. Take your time. Yeah, that was better. Now look. Hold on, sorry. Right here. Pivot. Fake. Toma. Ta. Cross. Right now. Yeah? Cross. Now, the movement that Laura was talking is right here. So, fake, hand over, and cross. Yeah, this is hard because you have to focus on the feet and the hand, yeah? Okay. So, let's go. Pivot, 5, 6, 7, go. Pivot, fake, ta, yeah. Swim over, crawl, again, 5, 6, 7, go. Toma, fake, easy, yes. Keep, no. Yeah. That's why. When you do the hand, you forget the feet. Yeah. Again, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Pivot, marca, take your time. Agora mucho rápido. Yeah, you Speedy Gonzalez right now. Yeah. Take your time. Toma, fake, toma. Cross, letter there, then you cross right here. Exactly, you cross right here, yeah? So let's try that again.
Much rapid and I lose
You lose the spin. Yeah. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Pivot, feint, take your time. Yeah. Now was good. The arm is good. Now let's put the feet with the arm. So look. Pa, toma. Ta. Ta. So first one, 5, 6, 7, go. Pa, sa, ta. And then you do, yeah. Now, first one, ta. Second one, ta. Then right here, ta. Then right here, ta. But this one stay right, the arm stay right here on your last ta. Ta is aberto, yeah? Again, 5, 6, 7, much open. Pivot. Ta, fake, ta. Now let it, let it right here. Yeah, again, 5, 6, 7, go. Ta, and then spin. Yeah, Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Pa, ta, 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 ta. Let it go, 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 let it go. Yes. Okay, now let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Beautiful, nice. That was nice. And tofu, 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 tofu. E toma. Ta, ta, ta. Yeah, toma. Yeah. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Mata. Puxa. Vírgula. Mazuma. Eia. 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 Toma. Jajão. Tá. Tá. Lere. Torero. Torero. Yeah. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Toma. Epa, Carlito. El otro. Toma. 6, 7, go. Toma. Puxa. Back. Vírgula. Mata. Tá. Toma. 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 Sa. Swim. Toro. El matador. Yes. Yeah. And then right here, okay, right here on the last matador, Zuaga. Carlito. Okay, let's go. Again. Aquí, torero. Ta. Last one. Zuaga, toma. You know that. Laura, just 1 second. You know that. You know the ta. It's the same. Ta. Okay? On the last one. Okay, let's try to go from the beginning so that way you can go to Zwaga. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 5, 6, 7. Toma. Mata. Puxa. Toma. Ma. And toma. Position. Mata. Zwa. Toma, Carlito. Right here. Zwaga. Okay, let's go from pivot. Pivot, ma. Sa. Toma. She right here. Zwaga. Toma. So you saw the Zwaga? Okay, the Zwaga. When this feet is in front, that's when you go Zwaga. Okay, again. When this feet is Zwaga. Okay, aquí, Carlito. Zwaga. Ta, ti, kata, ta. Okay? Now let's put easy. 5, 6, 7. She's gonna step. Zwaga. Toma. That's the key, okay? Again, so 1, Carlito. 1, 2, 3, 4, hey, partner. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so 1, 2. Try. From the torero, last torero. Yeah. She's stepping forward. That's your first. No. The last is the last one. Right here you go. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carlito. Ski. Ta. Let's go.
ci vuole che salti. You swallow, he jump.
Oh, it's okay. He's gonna get there. Yeah. He's gonna get there. Don't worry. Don't worry. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga. Almost there, almost. That was good. So you go 1, Carlito, right here. So you go 1, 2, 3. Let's just go 1, 2, 3 for now. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She's here. 4, 5, 6, 7 after. Okay, but for now we go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Yes, she's on 3, Carlito. Don't worry. On 3, you good. You did good. So right here. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3. Don't turn. Stay just like this. On 3. She's right here. And then ta. Yeah? Just go 1, 2, lado. That's it. 5. Zwaga. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga. Oh, that was good. Don't worry, Carlito. You want to finish, right? Wait. Okay. 5. Again. Zwaga. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga. Exact. Again. Don't turn, Laura. Just stop right there. Carlito, don't turn. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga. Don't put the guy yet. Yes, again. Yeah, good. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga. No, Carlito, you did para bailar la bamba. It's okay now. Come on, Carlito, you know this one. Carlito, wait. Hey. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Pa. That's it. Good. All right. Again. Now completo. So right here, Carlito. Zwaga. Side, ta. There's a weight on the last. Okay, mata. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, zwaga. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga, ta. Ta, okay, almost there. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga. Yeah. Again. It's getting there. 5, 6, 7, go. Zwaga. Hey. Okay, wait. Right here. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 right here. Yeah. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1. Okay, let's practice that. A few times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, not that. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, you're right. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, top. Ta. No, always front. 5, 6, 7. She's here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again. 5, 6.